Hello, friends. My name is Bhavesh Meghani. Warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm not here to discuss about the 2 days budget, but I will say only one thing that how the market react to this budget. So I will tell one thing that even a no negative is a positive, and market gives a thumbs up to the budget 2022. So now, without wasting a time, let me tell you the agenda for today's video. So yesterday, that is on 31st Jan 2022, post market hours, the Tata Motor Limited has announced its quarterly in the 9 month ended result for the December ending 2021. So, our today's agenda is to discuss the result about that how the result was and what investors should do after this result, whether they should hold the share or whether they should sold the share. So, let's start. So in the previous video, we have discussed that how we can browse the BSE site. So here I already opened that BSE site. Now you guys already know that how you can get the result of the Tata Motor. So here the Tata Motor share. So the today's closing is 504.30. That is minus 2.55 percentage. The high, today's high was 514.65, low was 493.20, and the previous close was 517.50, and the opening was at 507. So now let me open the result. So you know that first you need to go to the corporate announcement. So here you see, so I will just do one thing. I will just in the category, I will select the result and submit. So as you can see, the 31st Jan 2022 post market hours, that is at 3:41, the company has shared their result with the BSC. So let's open the result and start analysis. So for the ease, I already plotted some figures, the key figures which I thought to be of utmost importance to us. So let me start by revenue from operation. So as you know, the Tata Motor has mainly into the three four segment. One is a commercial vehicle, second was the passenger vehicle, third is vehicle financing, and the fourth one was Jaguar and Land Rover, which was the major contributing segment to the Tata Motor Limited. So here the figure I have taken is of the consolidated finance statement, because when you are analyzing any company, what is important to the investor is the consolidated financial statement figure. So let me start. So, and these figures are in crore. So let me start by the revenue from operation. So as you can see, the for the current quarter ended, that is December, the commercial vehicle sale is 13,785 crore. Passenger vehicle 8,492 crore. Vehicle financing somewhere around roughly 1,000 crore. Jaguar and Land Rover 47,000 crore, or almost 48,000 crore. So around commercial vehicle is contributing 90% of the total revenue, passenger vehicle is contributing around 12%, and the Jaguar and Land Rover is contributing 67%, which is very huge. Let me check for the quarter ended September. For the quarter ended September, commercial vehicle is 12,000 crore, passenger vehicle roughly 7,000 crore, vehicle financing 1,200 crore, Jaguar Land Rover again 40,000 crore, and here also you can see the share of Jaguar Land Rover is 66% the total revenue. Let me also compare with the quarter ended December 30, 2022. Sorry for the mistake, here it will be December 31st. So commercial vehicle again roughly 10,000 crore, passenger vehicle 5,000 crore, vehicle financing 1,200 crore, Jaguar again 58,606 crore. So again, so this time for this Jaguar is contributing 78% of the total revenue. So you can see that how Jaguar Land Rover is very important to the Tata group, or to the Tata Motor as a whole. So let's see the change over the current quarter versus previous quarter. So if I see in the previous quarter, the revenue was 12,000 crore. In the current quarter, it is 13,000 crore. So change is around roughly 1,600 crore. So 14% increase in the sales of commercial vehicle, passenger vehicle in the previous quarter and in the current quarter. So from 7,000 crore to roughly 8,500 crore. So, around 16% increase in the revenue of the passenger vehicle. Let me jump to the Jaguar and Land Rover. In the previous quarter, it was 39,000 crore. In the current quarter, it was 47,000 crore. So, increase in sales of 20%. Let me compare let me compare the quarter on quarter, means the current quarter versus the corresponding quarter of the previous year, that is the December 20. So sales, commercial vehicle sales has again increased by 3,000 crore. Passenger vehicle sale increased by 3,000 crore, but the sales of Jaguar Land Rover has dropped from 58,000 crore to 47,000 crore. So decrease in sales by 18%. Okay. So we'll also discuss the why the revenue has decreased. So the another important parameter, which is PBIT. So PBIT stands for profit before interest and tax. So commercial vehicle has reported a loss. Again, this figure are also in crores. Commercial vehicle has reported a loss of 62 crore. Passenger vehicle 297 crore. Jaguar and Land Rover reported a profit of 700 crore. In the previous quarter, that is September 30, 2021, commercial vehicle reported a loss of 74 crore, passenger vehicle 161 crore loss, Jaguar Land Rover loss of 2,320 crore. Let's see for the quarter ended 22. Commercial vehicle profit 367 crore, passenger vehicle loss of 291 crore. Vehicle financing not a major contributing segment. Jaguar and Land reported a profit of 5,000 crore. Let's see the change. First, see the current quarter versus previous quarter. So there is a reduction in loss by 16 percentage. A passenger vehicle, the loss has increased by 83 percentage. Vehicle financing, not a major contributing segment. Jaguar Land Rover, in the previous quarter there was a loss, and in the current quarter there is a profit. So increase of 130%. Comparing current quarter with the corresponding quarter, that is the quarter on quarter. So passenger vehicle, there was a profit in the December quarter of 367 crore. In the current quarter, there was a loss of 62 crore. For the passenger vehicle, in the corresponding quarter, there was a loss of 291 crore. In the current quarter, 297 crore low. Jaguar Land Rover, in the corresponding quarter, that is the December 31st, 2020, there was a profit of 5,000 crore. In the current quarter, there was a profit of 700 crore, but decrease in profit by 86%. ओके, तो हमारा क्वेश्चन था कि सर जैगवार लैंड रोवर का सर सेल्स क्यों कम हुआ? मतलब सर ऐसा तो क्या हो गया कि जैगवार लैंड रोवर का रेवेन्यू इतना गिर गया क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर? सो अभी डायरेक्टली मैं रिजल्ट पे आता हूँ. सो फर्स्ट सी अभी फ्यूचर आउटलुक क्या है. तो द डिमांड रिमेन स्ट्रांग डिस्पाइट द नियर टर्म कंसर्न फ्रॉम ओमिक्रॉन स्प्रेड. द सेमीकंडक्टर सप्लाई situation is improving gradually while inflation worries persist. Over the last 2 years, the resilience of the business has improved and it is now intrinsically stronger. With the concentrated action in place to address the near-term supply and cost challenge, we expect that the management is expecting to perform the improve further in quarter 4 financial 22 and beyond. So semiconductor supply is constrained. So semiconductor is one of the, it is a electronic chip that is used in the vehicle. Not only in the vehicle, also in all the electronic devices semiconductor is needed. So because of the shortage of the semiconductor worldwide, many companies have lost a billion of revenue, that include Apple, all the automobile companies. So due to the semiconductor shortage, company has to cut down their production, though they have a strong order book, but the company have to cut down their production because of the semiconductor shortage. So due to the semiconductor shortage, the revenue of the Jaguar Land Rover has decreased significantly on quarter. Okay, let's see the again what the management sees. So Indian operations show the significant revenue improvement as compared to Q3 a year ago. However, commodity inflation impact the margin. As a result, the TML stand for the Tata Motor Limited reported the EBIT, that is earning before interest tax, of 1.7% negative, and the pre-tax loss before the exceptional item of 0.8k crore for the Q3 financial 22. Passenger vehicle business continued its turnaround journey and strengthened double-digit market share with the highest sales in any calendar year since inception. And EV sales, that is electronic vehicle sales, has witnessed a new peak of 5,592 units in the Q3 financial 22. Let's see about the Jaguar Land Rover. So sales remain constrained by the chip shortage, as we discussed, with the retail sales of 80,126 vehicle, down 37.6% is over Q3 financial 21, that is the corresponding quarter on quarter. The chip supply situation is gradually improving with a production volume of 72,184 units, up 41% over Q2 financial 22, and the wholesale of 69,182 units, up 8% on Q2 financial 22. For Q3, revenue was 4.7 billion pound, up 22% from Q2 financial year 22. EBIT margin was 1.4%, and the free cash flow was positive 164 million pound in Q3 financial 22, demonstrating the progress JLR made in reducing the break-even point in the business through mix optimization and the cost efficiency. Now the financial the go for now the looking ahead, the semiconductor shortage is expected to continue through 2022, but is expected to gradually improve as the capacity within supply base increases, while the company is alone also engaging with the first tier supply and directly with the chip manufacturer to secure supply long term. With this gradual expected movement, the Jaguar Renault expect the Q4 profit to improve from Q3 with a positive cash flow. And even if you guys don't know, in the corresponding quarter, that is the Q3 financial 21, the Tata Motor Limited has surprisingly reported a profit. JLR's medium and the long-term financial target under the reimaging strategy, underpinned by the refocused transformation program, remain unchanged, including increasing EBIT margin to 10% or more by the financial 26. Now, let me tell you a very good fact about the Jaguar Land Rover. So, what the CEO of the Jaguar Land Rover is saying, while the semiconductor supply has continued to constrain the sales this quarter, we continue to see very strong demand for our product. Underlying the desirability of our vehicle, the global order book is at record level and has grown an incredible 30,000 unit for the new Range Rover before the delivery even start this quarter. So, in the in the recent time, the Jaguar Land Rover has recently have launched a new model, and you won't believe, guys, the price of the Jaguar Land Rover is starting from around 2.30 crore till around 400 crore, and already the company has received the pre-order book of 30,000 unit, even before the delivery started. So even if you can imagine 30,000 unit multiplied, even if you take the average of 2 crore price, then though it is a 60,000 crore revenue, we continue to execute our reimagining strategy to realize full potential of business and create the next generation of most desirable luxury vehicle for most discreting of the customer. So आप समझ सकते हैं कि भाई मतलब जो जेगुआर लैंड रोवर है इज अ वेरी 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 मेजर सेगमेंट ऑफ द टाटा मोटर लिमिटेड. मतलब अगर जैगवार लैंड रोवर अच्छा परफॉर्म करेगा तो टाटा मोटर इज अ होल अच्छा परफॉर्म करेगा. एंड इवन द गुड थिंग इज that even Indian business, Indian passenger and the commercial vehicle business is also performing good. So it is a win-win situation for the Tata Motor. So I will tell just one thing here, that whatever the loss currently the Tata Motor has reported or in the previous quarter it has reported, it is just a temporary. Why it is just a temporary? Because just it is due to the chip shortage, and also I will say some because of the more finance cost. But in the upcoming quarter, as the supply of the chip gradually increase, we expect a profit in the upcoming quarter or in the upcoming year. And if we see the financial looking ahead, we already see the what are the like the future plan. uh Finance cost, we already see the free cash flow. Okay, perfect, perfect. So BSR and company, this is the auditor of Tata Motor Limited. So this is their audit report. So this is the standalone result, but I generally focus on the consolidated financial statement. So I will just take you through the result like on a overall basis quickly. So these are the subsidiary and the associate and the joint venture. So quickly going through the consolidated and audited financial statement as a whole. These are in crores. So total revenue is around 71,000 crore. My total expense around 73,000 crore. The profit before exceptional item is 700 crore, roughly 700 crore. And in the previous quarter, there was a loss of 3,467 crore. The loss has significantly been reduced, and in the corresponding quarter, that is December 21 quarter, the company has reported a profit of 4,590 crore. And those are the segment wise revenue and the segment result that I have captured in the Excel for the ease. And apart from that, those are the note to the result, and those are some important key ratio. So debt equity ratio is a 3.33 times for this quarter. For the previous quarter it was 3.17. For the December quarter 2.48. And you guys may be wondering that why I have not compared 9 month ended December 21 with the December 20. So reason for being that in the previous quarter, in the previous year, previous financial year, that is 2020 2021, due to the nationwide lockdown, the operation was not, so plant was in shutdown for the first quarter. So that's why my 9 month ended figure, 9 month ended 2021 figure is not comparable with the 9 month ended December 2020. That's why I have not included that analysis in the Excel. And apart from that, debt service coverage ratio, interest service coverage ratio, you can all view this ratio from the result. Now you guys already know that how you can download this result and can see the whole result. So I think this is it from my side. Thank you very much.